Hello, everyone. My name is William Smith. I am the author of Oil Rich. So let's talk about how to make money from Guyana's oil boom. Whenever you have a discovery like this is a chance of a lifetime. We got 11 billions of barrel of oil that was discovered in Guyana. So if you are living in Guyana or if you plan to relocate to Guyana, I have 4 ways that you can start making money off of this oil boom. So for my locals that are there, become a food critic. You have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook and other platforms that you can get your phone, visit different restaurants, different places in the different villages, and you can just talk about the food. And you can create great narratives, great discussions, and then you can start monetizing that way, building your brand by talking about the different foods that you have discovered, that you have tried. And so that's one way. I want you to think about this because people are going to be coming into Guyana. Tourism is already up. When you're the fastest growing economy in the world, people will be visiting the country. So if you're a taxi and you're already doing rides, another way to stream that income is to do tours around the country. Look at some different places that people want to visit. Do your research. Search online of the different spots that people want to tour. Guyana has a lot of rich history. If you think about some of the things that went on in the 70s and the 80s, I know people don't like talking about it, but a lot of people want to know where Jim Jones had all those individuals at. So that's a tourist spot. People pay for tours. You have different areas by where the oil was discovered. People want to know where that's at. So being able to take people to these historical spots, you have the largest waterfall, Kaitra Falls. Once again, tourism, being able to drive people around. And if you're already a taxi, this gives you an opportunity to diversify the way you drive and how you market yourself. Another thing I want to talk about is bird watching. Believe it or not, Guyana has over 700 different bird species. And so many people around the world will travel to bird watch and to look at the different type of birds. Last but not least, we have real estate development. Guyana's economy will bring a lot of investors. And as I mentioned in one of my other videos, I encourage you to tell your family members to spend money on ensuring that they have the rights to the land. Because even though I'm talking about Guyana's real estate and why Guyana real estate will probably be the best buy anywhere, I still want people who own land in Guyana or who are living on land in Guyana to ensure that there's no disputes with their paperwork, that they can ensure that this is something that they own and it doesn't belong to the government. So really taking care of your real estate and ensuring that you have ownership, because Guyana real estate will be the top real estate market in the world. Guarantee. In 2025, you will be seeing a lot of people coming in buying up land. You could already see this in the different villages. If you look at Great Diamond, you look at Linden, you look at New Amsterdam, you will see the building and the constructions that's taking place in these different places. So just giving pointers on how to make money from this Guyana oil boom. We're in an age right now where this young generation, near and far, could use technology, like myself, who's using YouTube, to do this channel and promoting different restaurants. For instance, I'm going to do a review for Pepper Pot. I encourage you to go to Backyard Cafe near Georgetown, one of the best restaurants in Guyana. And so as I myself am giving you pointers, I just gave a shout out to Backyard Cafe. And my review is they have one of the best pepper pots. That's my opinion. But once again, really giving you a place to try out. And you can do your own pepper pot challenge. So these are just some ideas to help you make money from Guyana's oil boom. So my ideas were able to help locals and foreigners that are coming in to invest. So just thinking about with this oil boom, they're talking about 11 billion. I want to make sure I underscore that. 11 billion barrels of oil. And that's a substantial amount. So with that being said, my name is William Smith, the author of Oil Rich. If you haven't already purchased the book, please do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And leave a comment. And I want to know, how are you going to make money from Guyana's oil boom? Signing off, my name is William Smith.